Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.9 remaining sums. So fifth one. The sum of the squares of the first n natural number is 285 while the sum of their cubes is 2025. Find the value of n. So first you write that sum of squares of first n natural numbers given 285. So what is the formula for squares of first natural number? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 285. So you put it in this one first equation. Next, sum of their cubes is equal to 2025. That formula n into n plus 1 by 2 whole squared equal to 2025. We will find the value of n. So we will find the square root of 2025. So 2025 I have used here long division method. So 4 4s are 16. So 20 minus 16, 4, 425 carried out. So here double it, 4 2s are 8. And here you see last digit here 5, so I put it here 5. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. So 0. So square root of 2025 is 45. You put it. This is second equation. So substitute 2 in 1. That means that formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. I split it here n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1 by here into 3. So that means 2 3s are 6. So you split this formula and write it here. So substitute the value n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 45 into 2n plus 1 by 3 equal to 285. After you cancel this, 1 3 is 3, 15. That 15 is in the left side. If it go to that right hand side, it will come divide. So here also you cancel 5 with it 5 table. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 9 3s are 27. Therefore 2n plus 1 equal to 19 means 2n equal to plus 1 will go to the right hand side, it will come minus. So 19 minus 1 equal to 18. After that n equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9. So our n value is 9. Sixth one. Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, etc. 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? So first we will find sides of 15 square. Keep it in mind, square color papers. So first you write the sum of series 10 squared plus 11 squared plus 12 squared plus etc. up to 24 squared. As usual what we did in that previous sum. So first 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared up to 24 squared minus 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus etc. 9 squared. What is the sum of squares of natural number? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So n is here 24. N plus 1, 24 plus 1, 25. 2n means 2 into 24, 48. 48 plus 1, 49 by 6. Minus, here n is 9, n plus 1 is 9 plus 1, 10. 2n means 2 into 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 8, 19 by 6. After you cancel. 1 6 is 6, 4 6 are 24. So 425s are 100. 100 into 49, 4900. Here 6 table. 6 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15. 15 into 19 is 285. Therefore, 4900 minus 285 equal to 4615 centimeter squared is area. Next, seventh sum. Find the sum of the series 2 bracket of 2 cube minus 1 cube plus bracket of 4 cube minus 3 cube plus bracket of 6 cube minus 5 cube up to here 2 sums given, n terms, second one 8th term. First we will find n terms. So first you write that question, that is 2 cube minus 1 cube bracket plus 4 cube minus 3 cube, separately you write it, plus 6 cube minus 5 cube, etc. n terms. First whatever that plus you separate it. So 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube, etc. n terms minus, here minus is there, so you minus, you take it outside, minus of 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube, etc. n terms. Here what is the formula? Here this is 2 4, this is multiples of 2, isn't it? So use the formula 2n whole cube minus, and here 1 3 5, that is odd number. Odd number means we use 2n minus 1 whole cube. So first you write it as sigma n equal to 1 to n 2n whole cube minus sigma 1 to n 2n minus 1 whole cube. After you take it sigma outside and bracket of 2n whole cube minus 2n minus 1 whole cube. Use this formula, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So our term is sigma 1 to n 2n whole cube minus 2n minus 1 whole cube. That it looks like a cube minus b cube. So our formula a minus b. What is a? 2n. B minus of 2n minus 1. So 2n multiply with minus 2n. So minus 2n, minus into minus plus. So 2n minus 2n plus 1. So plus 2n minus 2n will cancel. So plus 1 is there. So into. So 1 into. Next, a squared plus ab plus b squared. A is 2n. So 2n whole square. 2n into 2n, 4n square. Plus a 2n, b 2n minus 1. Plus b squared 2n minus 1 whole square. So 1 into means it will come only. So 4n squared plus 2n into 2n 4n squared minus 2n minus 2n into minus 1 minus 2n. This is a minus b whole square. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So here what is a? 2n. So 2n whole squared, that is 2n into 2n 4n squared minus 2ab. 2 into a is 2n into b is 1. So 2 into 2n, that is minus 2 into 2n minus 4n plus b squared 1 squared 1. Next, so like term add it, 4 plus 4 plus 4 12n squared, and minus 2n minus 4n like term, so minus 6n plus 1. Next, so n squared means we use that formula, so sigma you write it separately. So sigma 1 to n 12n squared minus 6n plus 1. So you split and write 12 into sigma n squared minus 6 into sigma n plus here 1 is there, so sigma 1. What is sigma 1 here? Only n. So 12 into n squared means you use that formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n means sum of n natural number, n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. So here cancel it, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So here remaining what is that? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1 plus n is there. So we simplify that. So I take it n into n plus 1 common. So first I multiply with this, 2 into 2n 4n, 2 into 1 2 minus n into n plus 1 I take it common. So remaining here only 3 only there. So minus 3 plus n is separately. So next one. So here multiply n into n squared, n into 1 plus n squared plus n. 4 and 2 minus 3 means subtract and put to the greater number sign, that is 3 minus 2 1, greater number sign minus, so minus 1. So 4n minus 1 plus n. Next multiply n squared plus 4n. So 4n cube plus 4n cube. So next minus n squared plus n into 4n, 4n squared minus n plus n. Okay, so here you write that a standard form n cube minus n squared. So 4n cube plus 4n squared minus n squared. Standard form you write it minus n plus n. It will cancel. Minus n plus n will cancel. And after, so here also that like term, so you subtract 4n squared minus n squared means that the coefficient is 1. That's therefore 4 minus 1 3. 3n squared. So our answer is 4n cube plus 3n squared is our answer for n terms. Second part, 8 terms, that is n equal to 8. So already we know that Sn equal to what? 4n cube plus 3n square. So substitute n value equal to 8 here. 4 into S8 equal to 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 squared. 8 cube is 512, 8 squared is 64. You multiply 4 into 512, that is 2048. 3 into 64, 192. Add it, you get the value S8 equal to 2240. Okay students, next class we will see algebra chapter. Thank you.